Hi guys, welcome to the Future Internet Cafe. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we are going to look at how to register for SHA, Social Health Authority, or rather known as SHIF, Social Health Insurance Fund. So go to your browser and search for SHA, click on sha.go.ke. Once the SHA website opens, click on register individual, or you can just click on register. Click on proceed. Okay, so this is for Kenyan citizens. So select ID type, that is Kenyan citizen, enter your ID number, your first name and your phone number, then click on proceed. Enter a phone number that you have access to, because a code will be sent there, one-time password, and you'll have to enter it for you to continue their registration. So once you have entered all the relevant details as they apply to you, click on proceed. Confirm that you want a code sent to the phone number that you entered, so click on send code. Once you confirm your phone number, you'll have to enter a 4-digit PIN. So choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember, because you'll be using it to access SHA Afya Yangu portal. But in case you forget the PIN, you can always reset it, okay? But choose one that is easy for you to remember. So once you have chosen your PIN, click on proceed. Okay, so once you have successfully created your PIN, click on proceed. The registration page for SHA, Social Health Insurance, will open. So make sure you read the instructions carefully. Make sure you read all of the instructions carefully to see what SHA is all about, okay? Once you have read all the instructions, click on continue registration. Okay, so the registration for SHA is made up of 3 steps. The first one is the identification information, your personal information. The second step is your contact information, and the third step is for you to confirm your information and submit your application. So we start with step 1, which is the identification information. Okay, so for this step you need to upload your passport photo. Click to select file for you to upload your passport photo. Then choose your employment status as it applies to you, and if you're not employed, you usually choose self-employed, but make sure you read all the employment status for you to choose the one that applies to you. Choose your civil status, are you single, married, widowed, or divorced, and also choose if you are living with disability. So once you choose all the details as they apply to you, click on next. So the second step is your contact information. For this step, you enter your phone, your email address, also your current address of residence, where do you reside. If you're outside Kenya, it will ask you your country of residence. So choose all the information and make sure you answer all the fields as they apply to you. Once you're done entering all the details in the contact step as they apply to you, click on next. So the third and final step is for you to confirm and submit your details. So make sure you review the information, ensure you entered the correct information. If not, you can always go back and edit your application. So once you're done, read the declaration and click on the checkbox. So once you make sure that all the information is correct and you're satisfied with it, you can click on submit to submit your application for SHA. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for SHA or SHIF, Social Health Insurance Fund. So this is the SHA portal. It's called Afya Yangu. So this is how it looks like. For you to know your membership number, or rather your application number for SHA, click on my profile. So once you click on my profile here, you'll be able to see your application number, also membership number, or rather your universal health ID. It's the one that starts with CR something. So click on view application, or you can download the application for you to have a copy of your SHIF registration. In case you made any mistakes, you can always edit your account and your profile details by clicking on edit profile. So guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we learned how to register for SHA. If you find our videos helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, leave us a comment. Until next time, bye bye.